everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are doing this rainbow look. I had no idea what I was doing when I started this video. I just knew I was basing it on the Instagram, like one cool tone, one warm toned eye look that everyone does, and yeah, this is what we've ended up with. If you want to see how I got this look then keep watching. My camera does cut out halfway through and so I switched to my iPhone, so the quality does change, so sorry for that in advance, but yeah, if you want to keep watching then let's get makeup in. I'm in a weird mood. I'm always in a weird mood when I film. Okay, so I have popped the P. Louise base on just the one eye, and this is going to be the more cool tone eye, so like the yellows, green, blues, purples. So yeah, I'm going to take my James Charles palette and I'm going to take the first shade, bright yellow B, and pop that in the inner corner. I'm next going to take the green, I'm going to take the shade here, I don't know what this colour is called, but the bright green, and I'm going to pop that next to the yellow. I'm next going to go into the brighter of the two blues, this blue here, on a different brush, and place that next to the green. And then going back in with the green just to blend that in together. And now I'm going to go into the darker of the blues, this colour here. Same brush because I am lazy. I'm now going to go in with the purple shade, the darker of the purple shades, this one. And then just finish off the tail of this eye. With the same brush that had the dark purple on, I'm going to go in with the lighter one just to smoke out the edge of that one, so into this shade here. So this is what the eye is looking like so far. A little bit scary, but they always kind of do to start with. Next I'm just going to take a clean brush and just buff the edges of all the colours. So here is what the eye is looking like so far. I'm now gonna cut the crease, and for that I'm gonna use the P. Louise base. Yeah, wish me luck. Okay, so I have very badly cut the crease. I'm now gonna set that with white eyeshadow. So really annoyingly my camera battery died whilst I was doing this eye, so all you missed is I like smoked out purple as like a winged eyeliner and cleaned up underneath. And I'm now gonna do the orangey warm tone side, so I'm gonna start with yellow again and pop that all in the inner corner. I apologise, the quality is now dropped back to old school Sophie with the iPhone filming, but I wanted to film this look and I was really halfway through it. So this is where we're at. Now I'm going to go into the orange shade here and pop that next to the yellow. Now I'm going to go in with the, I'm going to just go in between, what am I going to do? I'm going to go in with the bright red and then I might mix it a little bit. I seem to remember I don't like using this red. I think it's like a pressed pigment, it's just a bit annoying to use, so I don't really like it. And then to end this side's wing, I'm going to go in with the pink, but I might mix it, and I'm going to go in with a bright pink, but I might mix it with the darker, you know. And then taking a brush, I'm just going to blend out all the edges like I did on the other side. Okay, so this is what the eye is looking like so far. This bit's been rather annoying to blend out, so I'm just gonna hope for the best that by the end it will look blended okay. So I'm now gonna try and match this cut crease to this side, so wish me luck. And then setting it with the white again. Ugh. Oh yeah, I forgot to say I'm setting it with the white from the Kaylee Exo Sue palette. Don't know why, just prefer this white I guess. So this is what the eye is looking like so far. I'm now going to do like the winged eyeliner. I'm going to do it with the darker pink shade, which is this one here, I think. Okay, so here are the eyes so far. I'm gonna pop off camera and do the rest of my face, and hopefully by then my actual camera will have charged up and I won't be on my phone filming me. Fingers crossed. But yeah, I'll be back once the rest of my face is done. So I'm back on my camera. I don't actually know how much battery it has and how long that's gonna last, but this is what it is looking like so far. I finished off my face makeup and I just brought the yellow eyeshadow just further down to the lower lash line. I'm now gonna like switch the colours, so you see I did like the pinky wing liner on this side. I'm gonna use that on this side's lower lash line and the purple on this side's lower lash line. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go bright pink first on this side and smoke that on the lower lash line. And just taking a fluffy brush and just blending. And now I'm going to take a smaller brush, well, a finer brush, and I'm going to go into the darker purple shade that I used on the eyeliner side and just bring that on the outside corner. Lovely, so that's what that lower lash line looks like. So bright pink and then slightly deeper on the outside corner. And then I'm gonna reverse it, so I'm gonna do the light purple all underneath and then in the darker corner the darker purple. I need like duplicates of brushes because it drives me insane cleaning brushes before I can use them. And then taking the darker purple on the finer brush again. Lovely, so this is what the eyes are looking like so far. I'm gonna pop off camera and truly finish off my face and come back looking slightly more presentable. And yeah, I'm back and I just popped some lip gloss on and did my mascara and straightened my hair, you know, make myself look a little bit more presentable than the mess that I was just now. But yeah, this is the finished rainbow eye look. I didn't really know what I was doing when I started this video. I just sort of based it on the pictures that I've seen of James Charles, of Kaylee, of like all the rainbow looks that you see on Instagram. And for a non-makeup artist who just loves makeup and likes to play with makeup, I think it turned out pretty well. It is pretty funky. There we have it. This was my rainbow look inspired by all the Instagram pictures that you see of like James Charles, Kaylee. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm really sorry that my camera battery died halfway through, so it's half camera, half iPhone. But yeah, I wanted to film it and I was halfway through doing one eye and I was not about to wait like 2 hours for this camera to be recharged to do the other eye. So I hope it doesn't matter too much and it didn't annoy you a ton. But yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd love to have you back here on my channel. I appreciate every single subscriber I get. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and mwah, have a lovely day.